10 amazing desk gadgets you can buy on Amazon. We all have those moments when work seems particularly ineffective and boring. That's why there's been a rising demand for desk gadgets to improve our work climate. From IT gadgets to desktop accessories, there are a number of useful and enjoyable inventions to make work simple, comfortable, and a little more exciting during our break times. Before we go any further, please like and subscribe to our channel Technify and press that bell icon to get new excellent updates only us can provide. Without turning this into a movie, here are the top 10 amazing desk gadgets that will surely make you feel less mundane while working on your favorite working desk. Number 10. Pluggable USB 3.0 Universal Laptop Docking Station. Get rid of all the excess wires and tidy up your desktop. This workplace device allows the linking of laptops to your office workstation a convenience. The docking station needs just one cable to attach everybody to your computer. You can attach up to 4 displays, keyboard, cursor, network connectivity, headphones, and a variety of other items to the docking station. The Wavelink Universal Docking Station is a very flexible bit of equipment that is not only compliant with Windows computers as well as with Intel-based Macs. It has dual video outputs for monitors and supports HMDI and DVI-VGA monitors with resolution up to 2048 by 1152. In theory, this ensures that you can extend your desktop to 3 computer displays. There are also no fewer than 6 USB ports, 2 of which are super speed USB 3.0, while the remaining 4 are USB 2.0 for use with other hardware such as printers, keyboards, scanners, or digital cameras. There's even an Ethernet connection as well as microphone ports for the earphone and mic. This is a versatile and lightweight piece of hardware that comes in a relatively low price. Number 9. Vobago Mug Warmer. Are you somebody who wants a cup of joe in the morning to get your day begun? It's one of those workplace devices that will really improve your mornings. It has 3 degrees of heating that vary from holding your beverage current temperature to heating it up. The desk device even has an automated shut-off feature after it's been on for 4 hours, so it prevents high electrical costs at bay while keeping you occupied all day. With technologically advanced components, the coffee heater is heat-resistant and fire-resistant. The spill-proof structure prevents disruption and turns cleaning into a piece of cake. Utilize a thin-walled, flat-bottomed mugs to achieve the maximum results. This coffee cup heater is ideal for tableware, stainless steel cup, mug, milk box, glass cup, and so on. Please don't anticipate this beverage to be warmer as a heater or to hold your coffee extra strong. It's also the greatest gift option. Beautiful and lightweight style, hold the drinks warm all day. It's a perfect gift for all your loved ones on Valentine's Day, Christmas, and other special holidays to express your love to them. Number 8. Tidy Home Charging Station. Tidy Home is one of the widely respected USB hub stations that supports the whole family with its 5 USB ports and 1 QI wireless charging pad. It's consistent with all the new smartphones and tablets by providing a dock station to hold things arranged on the table. The unit does not build a clutter of cables and leaves your desk tidy and orderly. It can be used everywhere due to its flat body. Tidy Home has launched an innovative approach for the varied charging needs of consumers with its multifunctional charging system, which assists 5 USB ports and 1 QI wireless charging stand for mobile devices, saving time and resources when charging multiple devices. It eliminates all the problems of charging devices in a systemic way by adding detachable dividers that can be easily positioned and withdrawn for use. Detachable baffles provide loads of room between the slots to hold the machines and not clutter the cables of different mobile devices. Its high-duty waterproof case allows it convenient to carry even heavy loading devices and to have adequate storage space for various gadgets. This charging hub is suitable for domestic and commercial use, such as workplaces, restaurants, conference rooms, and so on, to provide safe and tidy charging spaces. The best feature about this charging hub is its anti-skid silicone pad, which avoids unintentional skid from the station. It includes a full range of iPhone cables, USB cables, C-type cables, and power cords to enable wireless charging to the devices. Number 7. Lasco Tabletop Thermostat. If your workplace AC is always on the burst, or if you're operating during the winter months, this ceramic desk heater could be a godsend for you. It has 3 silent modes: high heat, low heat, heat, or fan mode, and 11 temperature settings. The great feature of this heater is that it's safe to hold, so you don't have to think twice about unintentionally frying yourself. It helps you to change the 1500-watt ceramic heating element of the heater. You're guaranteed to find a relaxed environment with separate temperature levels. Simply turn the knob to the heat you like and appreciate the warmth you want. It makes it quick to switch the space heater around. Thanks to the small nature of the heater and the handy carrying handle, you can quickly transfer the heater from the kitchen to the bedroom or under the desk. Overheat safety means that the space heater does not overheat even if kept running for an extended period of time. The space heater even has a cool touch exterior. This helps the body of the space heater to remain cold even though it's warm. It helps you to pull the heater out of the package and get it to function for minutes. Simply insert the heater into the wall socket, choose the desired heat and thermostat settings, and experience the comfort of your new Lasco space heater. Invoxia NVX200. Invoxia, a French company that specializes in linked devices for communication, is expanding its range of connected phones for the office with NVX200, an accessory thought to assemble instantaneous messaging from a smartphone and incorporate it with the best of desktop corded phones. Today, 63% of companies are equipped with mobile devices compared to only 16% in 2009. At a time when mobile technology is increasingly used for professional purposes, NVX200 is a hardware solution that optimizes and complements smartphone usability by providing comfort, quality, and ease of use in professional mode. Invoxia NVX200 is consistent with all Bluetooth mobile phones with a micro USB port and all iPhone models. No application is needed and a Bluetooth connection is adequate for an optimum connection. The IoT sector has reached some maturity. It's a kind of device era that appears towards products that really assist people on a daily basis. The linked object itself must express an obvious use of the object. The role of design is central to the pedagogy of an innovative connected object. Technology alone is not enough, commented Pierre Gardner, co-founder of the Paris-based Elium Studio, the industrial design company behind the smartphone adapter. Users can also profit from Invoxia's Vivo acoustic technology for use in Bluetooth speakers or make hands-free calls with a smartphone adapter up to 5 meters 16 feet away, giving a very competitive price compared to other existing conference systems with a sharper sound quality. NVX200 is simple to install in your office. It does not necessitate a smartphone app. It does not require any Ethernet or Wi-Fi connectivity on your desktop. Plainly plug in the power supply and the device is fully functional. Invoxia also provides operators and voice over internet protocol VoIP telephone integrators like Skype, SDK, iOS, and Android, enabling them to integrate the NVX200 into their VoIP mobile apps. This way, NVX200 becomes the perfect match for mobile VoIP in the office by providing immediate access to phoning, the daily phone logs, plus an app's address book. Number 5. Optoma LH150 Portable Projector. Work presentations can be make or break period in scoring a deal or suggesting a new strategy to the boss, so you don't want to squander time scrambling across the projector to get it to operate. Save the worries by bringing your own projector with you. Show your presentations and other media with the Optoma LH150 3000 lumen full HD DLP projector practically everywhere. It will project pictures up to 150 inches diagonal and boasts a complete HD 1920 by 1080 native resolution. It offers up to 1300 lumens of AC brightness with a 160,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio to further increase detail and visibility. The LH150 comes fitted with 2 HDMI inputs and a USB port that supports wired playback from your supported iOS or Android smartphone. The rechargeable battery lasts up 2.5 hours to present when on the go. The carrying case and remote control are provided for additional comfort. This convenient desk gadget works great for your home too, though. You can use it to watch movies and videos to generate your own home cinema moment. Number 4. Odin Virtual Laser Holographic Mouse. The name Odin is inspired by the traditional Germanic word seer prophet that fits into a high-tech new concept that challenges public views of electro-optical applications and opens up a whole new realm of opportunities. The world's first laser projection mouse, the Odin Laser Holographic Mouse, will reinterpret your lifestyle routines of controlling, constructing, and gaming on your desktop. With low CPU loading and inclusive development, the Odin allows crisper web surfing and gaming experience. Multi-point restrictions like click, scroll, drag, and zoom will all be embraced in an 8x8 cm projection area that converts any flat surface to a touchpad. Small and compact, the Odin weighs only 40 grams and aligns well into your pocket or shoulder bag and uses up hardly any power. The triangle runic symbol is now the button you need to identify. Whether you want to open a specific software or go back to your desktop, the button is at your disposal. You can even code your own macro and communicate it on the Seraphim internet site. Innovative look makes it cool to look at and display. Number 3. Mount It Standing Height Adjustable Desk. Sitting in the workplace for a long time induces back pain that may endanger wellness and well-being. It's fun to get up and stretch it out for a couple more minutes before we get back to work. If you can't get a standing desk in your workplace, install it. Standing adjustable height desk is the next best option. If you feel like you've been sitting too long, you can change your height with only one pull of a handle. This changes the table to a height that is convenient for you to get up. It strengthens your posture and flow in your body, improving efficiency and allowing you to feel more alert at work. Number 2. Logitech K780 Multi-Device Wireless Keyboard. There are moments where you have to operate on several computers at one time, and this keyboard makes such devices converge more smoothly. Logitech's wireless keyboard helps you to move between 3 computers, either computer, tablet, or mobile, with comfort. When combined with a suitable Logitech mouse, you can use it to click and move objects around your screen. It also provides dual networking for up to 3 devices so that you can link to your gadgets via the Logitech unifying USB or Bluetooth receiver. Number 1. Fujitsu ScanSnap Mobile Scanner. Fujitsu's battery-powered ScanSnap iX100 wireless handheld scanner offers consumers with Wi-Fi-enabled portable scanning solutions to operate nearly anywhere. The iX100 boasts an optical resolution of 600 dpi for accurate picture capture and can operate with documents from 1 by 1 inches all the way up to 8.5 by 34 inches in dimensions. Speed is also not a challenge, with the potential to search a text up to 300 dpi in only 5.2 seconds. Wireless access allows scanning across the network to computers or handheld devices operating the ScanSnap Link program. It can also identify networks and automatically link to regularly accessed networks after it has been initially configured up. The Direct Link mode enables users to search wirelessly without the need for an infrastructure network. Other styles provide the Dual Scan function, which scans 2 smaller documents simultaneously, and the automated stitching of a 2-page spread. Warm-up time is quick, less than 2 seconds from ready, and the USB rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides up to 260 scans on a single charge. In addition, the iX100 has USB 2.0 compatibility for direct access to the device and scanning. So now that you already know the top 10 amazing desk gadgets, what do you think? Would you also like to purchase one to put on your desk? What's your opinion? Share your thoughts down below. If you're a true top 10 lover, stay tuned to our channel Technify as the next top 10 video is starting. Don't forget to hit that like button below and click subscribe for more amazing videos.